In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to use voice chat in Please Donate. Once you're in the Please Donate game experience in Roblox, then you need to simply look for the Find the Server select. Now just watch the video on how am I looking for that server selector. Once you find it, then simply click on it. Find the server that you want to join and tap the join button beside the server. If it shows to you that you must have voice chat enabled to join, then you can try this method or enabling it. Go to Roblox homepage and then you'll look for the gear icon, then open the settings option. Next, go to the privacy and content maturity. In here, click on the communication section. Next, select voice chat, then simply toggle on the button beside the enable microphone, and by then, you can now use the voice chat and the Please Donate. Your Roblox account to be fully verified as if you're still a child, you won't be able to use that voice chat here on Roblox. That's it.